Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry about the interruption in the channel this period. I was very busy, but from now on, I will try to prepare one video a week for you, my friends, so wait for our next videos. And also, thank you very much to all the friends who supported us this time by subscribing the channel and leaving energetic comments. And let me give you some good news. The Rocket team has decided to design the logo you need for free. But under what conditions? All you can leave a comment for us about logo specifications you need along with your email address. But the comment that gets the most likes for 4 days after sharing this video is known as the top logo, and we will design it for you for free. And we put the design video of that logo in the description along with your promotional links. So remember, your comment should get the most likes. Also, those who like your comment must have subscribed to our channel. Well, in this week's video, we try to teach you the basic steps for designing a logo. From idea generation and design on paper to drawing the final result as a vector in the Illustrator. Stay tuned and enjoy watching this video. Also, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to be aware from my latest videos. Well, last week we received an email from a friend asking for a logo for financial markets. And we thought it was a great opportunity to share with you the process of creating this logo. This person gave us information about his business and said that his job is to analyze financial currencies and share the signals of this analysis to his customers. He did not yet have a name for the business, but wanted a logo that symbolized the financial markets. It was important for his to have two symbols of financial markets in his logo. First symbol, bull. The symbol of the bull in the financial markets is a sign of a rising market and growing markets. Second symbol, candlesticks. Candlesticks are the part of the market that show the market movement to traders. Well, we had the symbols needed to design this logo. Always try to have a list of questions to design the logo so that you can design what the customer expects from you. And it also makes the design a lot easier for you because you know exactly what the customer wants from you. You can ask your customers such questions. 1. Give me a brief description of your business so that I have a better understanding of your work. The simpler the explanation, the better. Imagine you want to describe your work to a 5-year-old. 2. What are the symbols in your job that are used a lot? 3. Do you want the logo to be simple or complex? 4. What colors are your organizational colors? These are some examples of questions you need to design a logo. Always know that the simpler you look at a business, you can design a logo the simpler and more elegant. And these two features make it easy for others to easily understand the business associated with this logo with a brief look. Let's move on to the next step. We now have two symbols that created from different sections. The bull symbol is created from different parts such as tail, horns, face, limbs, legs. Well, this is the symbol of the bull. Let's go to rear. The candle symbol. Candlestick symbol created from patterns, renders, body, shadow, trend. In this step, we select the parts that we want to be in the logo from the elements in these symbols. In this design, we select the face and horns from the bull symbol, and the shadow and trend from the body candle symbol. Now it's time to go on paper and start designing. First, we try to draw the shape of the face and different horns of the bull very quickly and easily to choose the shape we want from them. Well, this form is suitable. Now in this step we try to integrate the pink form we have chosen with candlesticks. Okay, I think this design is attractive. In this step, you can draw several design models and share them with your customer and apply the final changes they want. Very good, this is our final design. Let's design it as a vector. This is the final part of our work. I hope you have learned good things from this video. Also don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to be aware from my latest videos.